Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine. Today, in this particular lecture, we are going to deal with the brainstorming questions of the lesson Into the Wild. It's very important to solve the brainstorming questions to understand the lesson very well. So without wasting the time, we are going to deal with all the brainstorming questions here. So let's start. अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please to subscribe our channel for new and innovative learning of English language, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's see the brainstorming questions here. So the first question, which is related with the pair activity. So in pairs, discuss the professions and challenges one can take happily if one is really passionate about the job. So we all know it very well that it's very important to choose the profession which is related to your interest or which is the area of your interest. That is very important because अगर आपने एक ऐसा एरिया चूज कर लिया कि जिसमें पहले से ही आपका क्या है, इंटरेस्ट है, तो वो काम आपको काम नहीं लगेगा. That particular thing will become your passion. And so if you had chosen such kind of the job, so definitely you will have the challenges. आपके सामने बहुत सारे challenges आएंगे. Maybe you will have so many obstacles as well. बहुत सारी मुश्किलें भी या मुश्किलों का सामना भी आपको करना पड़ेगा. But definitely if you are passionate about it, so you will come over it. अगर आप में वो जज्बा है, आप में पहले से उस चीज में अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है, तो आप सारी जो रुकावटें हैं, सारी जो मुश्किलें हैं, उनको पार करके आप डेफिनेटली अपने डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंच जाओगे. So you can write here so many things that which are the challenges of a particular job. Maybe suppose you will become an engineer, you will become a doctor, so what kind of the challenges you have to face, in what way you will solve it. So definitely remember, you will have thousands of jobs according to your area of interest. So it's very important to choose the job or profession which is related to your passion. So it's very important. In the second question here, that is, in groups organize a role play activity associated with wildlife expert, wildlife photographer or wildlife conservator. So explaining the differences and similarities involved in their profession. So here it's not possible to play the role play activity here because we are online now. We have taken this particular mode to teach the student. So it's not possible to conduct the role play activity here. So we are going to skip this particular point. When we will assemble in the classroom, that time we will take the activity of role playing. So after this we are going to deal with the A2 question. That is, first question is related with arrange the following incidents in a proper sequential order as they have occurred in part first. I hope now you have understood all the things about the part first. So here we have A, B, C, D. Okay, and these sentences are jumbled. It means they are not actually written as per the chronology. So here you have to find the actual chronology of the sentences. So the first sentence is, writer realized that he was lost in the woods. The second sentence is, the langoose saw the leopard. The third one, the author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible, finding his way through the thicket. And the fourth sentence here is, the author met a villager. So of course remember, these are the jumbled sentences which you need to rearrange. So I have already rearranged them. So the first sentence you have to write, that is, the author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible. अगर आपको पार्ट फर्स्ट याद आ रहा है तो आपको पता होगा कि जो राइटर है, जो ऑथर है, वो रात का समय हो रहा है और हो रहा था, तो इसलिए वो चुपचाप से धीरे धीरे करके चुपके से वो अपने रास्ते की तरफ जा रहा था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट व्हिच वाज ऑकर्ड इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द इनटू द वाइल्ड. सो द सेंटेंस will be the first, that is the C1. Okay, so C will be first, that is, the author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible, finding his way through the thicket. Thicket means jungle area. Okay, bush area is there. And the second sentence, that is the B. You have to write B because the langoose saw the leopard when he was moving slowly towards the way. That time langoose had making so much noise and due to this noise he understood this particular thing, that nearby somewhere there is a leopard, and this sentence will be second one. Third one, or on the third position you have to write, that is the author met a villager. So of course the author met a villager there, and after some time they are also parted. It means वो भी दोनों बिछड़ गए थे, राइट, क्योंकि दोनों को अलग अलग जगहों पे जाना था, बिकॉज रात के समय में रास्ता ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल काम था, इसलिए उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना अपना रास्ता बदल दिया. एंड एट लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट दैट राइटर रियलाइज्ड दैट ही वाज लॉस्ट इन द वुड्स. तो लास्ट में क्या होता है, यू नो इट वेरी वेल, दैट ही लॉस्ट इन द जंगल और द फॉरेस्ट. And so this is the chronology. Okay, the first one is C, the second one is B, the third one is D, and the last one is A. Okay, I hope now you have understood that in what we have to write the sentences or these jumble sentences. Now let's move forward and let's see the second question here, that is correct the false statements, part second. So here few sentences are there, 4 sentences are there, A, B, C and D, and you have to correct the false statements, only false statements, not the true one. Okay, so the first sentence, that is earlier Shaz was in the field of finance. So of course I have told you that the person Shaz Jung, he belongs to the finance field. पहले वो फाइनेंस में जॉब करते थे और उसके बाद में वो वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी की तरफ बढ़ गए. Okay, so this particular statement was exactly true, so there is no need to correct it because already statement is exactly correct. The second sentence here, that is B. BCRTI was founded out of the genuine urge to conserve the habitat of the wildlife. So it's very important, the organization which was founded by the Shaz Jung, that is BCRTI. So this exactly has the genuine urge of the Shaz Jung to conserve the habitat of the wildlife. यानी wildlife और जो लोग हैं, ह्यूमन लाइफ इज देयर, ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स वर देयर, तो उनके बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कम करने के लिए इन्होंने ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इसकी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की थी, दैट इज BCRTI, एंड एग्जैक्टली दिस स्टेटमेंट इज आल्सो राइट, सो देयर इज नो नीड टू करेक्ट इट. बट सी सेंटेंस इज फॉल्स. व्हाई? लेट्स सी. दैट Shaz failed to utilize the finance incurred out of tourism. So he was not failed, but he was actually passed. Right, 100% he was passed because he had used the money or whatever the money, whatever the finances incurred from the tourism, and he had used that particular money to train the people, and of course he had trained so many villagers, so many farmers as well. So you have to correct this particular statement in this way, that he utilized it to provide occasional training to villages. So in this way you have to correct this statement. What was the correct statement? Shaz utilized it to provide occasional training to the villagers. And the last one, that is a false statement, is here. Okay, so according to the local agriculturalist, that is seeing is more essential than listening. So this is vice versa, right? Because listening is more important than seeing, right? According to author, that listening is more important than seeing. So in this way you have to correct it. I hope now your doubt is clear, and you have to write the sentence in such a way that according to the local agriculturist, that listening is more important than seeing. So after the discussion on the second question, we are moving ahead and we are going to solve few more questions here, brainstorming questions. So in the third part, there is a web diagram in which complete the given web. So in the between or in middle point, which thing is written there? Let's see. That signs of the vicinity of the village. In what way he thought like that कि नजदीक ही गांव है. So कैसे उन्हें पता चला कि नजदीक एक छोटा सा गांव है? So in so many things were there or so many signs were there, जिसमें से कुछ साइंस मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं. The first one is citing the lake familiar hillock. इट मीन्स जो हिलॉक, जो छोटे छोटे वहां पे पहाड़ थे, उन पहाड़ों पे या वो जो पहाड़ थे उन्हें फैमिलियर महसूस होने लगे. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, दैट इज साउंड फ्रॉम लाउड स्पीकर. द लाउड स्पीकर साउंड इज क्लियर टू देम. द वॉइस ऑफ द लाउड स्पीकर रीच टू देयर ईयर्स. उन्हें उस लाउड स्पीकर का आवाज पूरी तरह से सुनाई दे रहा था। तो इसका मतलब था वो गांव के नजदीक है। दे आर नियर टू द विसिनिटी ऑफ द विलेज। द थर्ड पॉइंट आई हैव रिटन हियर दैट इज लाइट फ्रॉम द लैंटर्न्स, यानी जो छोटे छोटे जो दिए या कंदील जो थे, वो जो जलाए हुए जो लैंटर्न्स थे, उनमें से जो लाइट निकल रही थी वो वहां से उन्हें दिखाई दे रही थी। तो इसका मतलब था वो गांव के बहुत नजदीक थे। द लास्ट थिंग हियर आई हैव मेंशन्ड दैट इज welcoming bark of the dog, droppings of the blue bulls as well. So these are some signs, okay? Barking of the dog, because dogs are not living in the forest, they are living near to village or in the village, right? And of course remember, droppings of the blue bulls is also seen by them, and due to that he had clear concept in his mind that he is near to village. So in this way you have to complete the web. I hope now your doubt is cleared. So in the fourth question we are going to discuss about the complete the following. This is also like the flow chart. So let's see which kind of the flow chart is there. Responsibilities handled by Shas. So he had handled so many responsibilities, right? In the introduction of this personality, Shah Chung, we had discussed so many things. So he had handled the responsibility of the wild photographer, cinematographer, and even he was the lodge owner. He was big cat tracker, he loved big cats, and even he was the man animal conflict resolution seeker. Because of his agency, so many problems were automatically solved, and of course this person had handled so many responsibilities at the same time. So you have to write this particular answer, that he had handled the wildlife photography, cinematography he's handling, even he is the lodge owner, then big cat tracker is there, his big cat tracker, and even he had handled the man animal conflict resolution, and of course he was one of the seeker to solve this particular conflict. And here created BRCTI, also one of the thing, that educating villages, then putting tourist currency to good use, then occasional training he had provided to the villages or locals, and due to this all the people were unable to focus or to acquire the skills due to this particular agency, that is BRCTI. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the answer. Okay, so let's see the fifth one. Complete the flow chart stating the reaction of the petrified langurs due to the presence of the leopard. तो किस तरह से जो लंगूर है वो आवाज करके आसपास के जो एनिमल्स है, आसपास के जो लोग हैं, उन्हें बताते हैं that something dangerous is going to happen or something dangerous is around them. So let's see cack cack, that is the alarm call which they had made. And even fear of life, why they had used this particular sound? Because due to fear of life, and alarm calls increases whenever they had seen predators near to them. That particular sound is, what will happen? That sound is increased. And the point I have mentioned here, that is younger langurs started alarm calls. यानी जो छोटे छोटे जो बंदरों के बच्चे हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अलार्म कॉल बहुत तेजी से क्या करते हैं, फैलाते हैं या बहुत जोर से चिल्लाते हैं. एंड स्पेड टू नियर बाय ट्री टॉप्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिमेंबर दे नीड टू गो टू द ट्री टॉप्स टू सेव देयर लाइफ, यानी उन्हें ट्री टॉप पे जाना पड़ता है अपनी खुद के लाइफ बचाने के लिए. सो इन दिस वे रिमेंबर यू कैन कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्लो चार्ट. If you have any kind of the problem, you can comment me. Okay, so here this is the cack alarm call which they had created due to the fear of life. This is the alarm call, and even younger langurs are also making the sound, and of course they need to speed to nearby treetops to save their lives. So the last question, sixth one here, that is complete the web describing each step taken by the writer as a solitary traveler while moving in the jungle with great precautions. So it's very important to take the precautions whenever you are in jungle area or near, if you have nearby jungle area or forest area, you have to take the precautions. So precautions taken by the writer. So which kind of precautions he had taken? So camouflaging the height, that is very important. Okay, the second thing, that is carrying essentials. So whatever the essential material is there, he is only carried that particular material. जितना जरूरत का सामान है उतना ही आपको पास में रखना चाहिए. The second point I have mentioned here, that is trading cautiously. आप जब आगे बढ़ते हो, so you need to think about the situation which is happened or happening around, okay, around you. एंड यू हैव टू ट्रेडिंग कॉशियसली, धीरे धीरे करके शांतिपूर्वक आपको आगे बढ़ना पड़ता है। एंड बीइंग अलर्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टू बीइंग अलर्ट, मेकिंग मिनिमल साउंड्स एंड मेकिंग वे थ्रू लीव्स। सो लीव्स के थ्रू जो छोटे छोटे झाड़ी होती है, तो उसमें से आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, धीरे धीरे करके अपनी जो राह है वो आपको ढूंढनी पड़ती है। सो यू हैव टू बिकम अलर्ट। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज आईज ओपन, इट मीन्स आपको अपनी आंखें खुली और सतर्क रखनी पड़ती है। लुकिंग फॉर साइंस, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड द साइंस। इफ दोज साइंस आर गुड, दैट इज ओके एंड यू हैव टू गो अहेड। But if you found something dangerous, some kind of the bad sign is there, danger sign is there, so you have to stop that particular place. Okay, you have to think about the safest place for yourself to save your life. And the last point already given, that is grasping various sounds. So whatever the sounds which are coming towards your ears, you have to listen them carefully, because without listening it's not possible to understand the situation. So try to understand the situation by listening the sounds which are coming towards you. Okay, so grasping various sounds, that is also one of the precaution you have to take, or this precaution had taken by the writer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the sixth one. Now we are going towards the few more questions. And let's see the seventh one, that is complete the table explaining the qualities that you like to imbibe from nature within yourself and provide the reasons for the same. Already I have told you that we learn so many life lessons from the nature. हम बहुत सारी चीजें नेचर से सीखते हैं, right? And nature is always teaching us life lessons. So let's see which things we are actually learned from the trees and streams. So from trees we learned सेल्फलेस, रेजिलियंस, किस तरह से खुद को सर्वाइव करके रखना है, किस तरह से खुद को बचाना है, ये सारी चीजें हम ट्रीज से सीखते हैं। सेल्फलेस यानी हम दूसरों को देना किससे सीखते हैं, ट्रीज से सीखते हैं, बिकॉज ट्रीज आर नॉट द सेल्फिश वन लाइक द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, राइट? दे आर सेल्फलेस, वो कभी भी दूसरों को देने में कोई कमी नहीं रखते। वो हमेशा क्या करते हैं, जितना वो दे सकते हैं उससे भी ज्यादा देने की कोशिश करते हैं। एंड रीजन इज व्हाट, दैट दे गिव बेंट विथ विंड, इट मीन्स दे आर ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बेंट विथ द विंड। As per the situation, you have to also take care of the situation and you have to bend as per the situation. तो situation के हिसाब से ही आपको अपनी लाइफ जीनी है। अगर situation बुरी है तो उस बुरे situation में बुरा ख्याल नहीं आना चाहिए, उसमें से आपको एक अच्छी राह ढूंढ के निकालनी चाहिए, जिससे आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो कम से कम हो सके। So these are the reasons, and of course we actually learned so many things from the trees and from streams. What we learned keep flowing, हमेशा चलते रहना है, बीच में रुकना नहीं है, क्योंकि चलते रहना ही जिंदगी का असली नाम है। ओके, एंड कीप फ्लोइंग, दैट इज थिंग which we learned from streams, and which another thing we learned through the streams, do not stop if problems arise, if so many obstacles are there, so you have to overcome the obstacles, don't stop there. So, and why, which reason is there? Do not give up in any one of the situation, and of course you have to face the difficulties. So do not give up in the face of difficulties. So always keep ready yourself and always try to fight with the situation. Don't fight with the situation. Don't do that. Okay? अगर वहां से आप भाग गए तो आप अपनी जिंदगी में कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाओगे। So always try to be successful with the help of the courage, with the help of the confidence. Okay, always boost up your confidence. So let's see the A3 here, that is choose appropriate phrases or expressions from the extract given in the brackets. So these are the expressions you have to put up at the right places. So time and again, that is the first expression, which is the second one. To one's heart's content, that is the next one, and the third one is frantic speed, and the fourth one is in a jiffy. So let's see which are the expressions, and I have already put up all the expressions here. So let's see. I was on diet for some days, but today I am going to eat to my heart's content. यानी जी भर के मैं खाना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि कुछ दिनों से मैंने उपवास रखी है। Okay, fasting is there. So I was on diet for some days, but today I'm going to eat to my heart's content. So to heart's content is the first phrase you have to put up in the first sentence, that is A. For B, every mother calls her children time and again for the overuse of the mobile phone. So if you are using mobile phone for bad things, for overtime, and of course remember that is the bad thing for the children nowadays, because children are using or they are spending so much time on the mobile phones. Okay, so every mother calls their children and time and again, bar. Okay, so time and again is the second phrase which is exactly correct at this second sentence. So after this we are going to solve the next thing. Okay, all the educational problems were sorted out in a jiffy because of the funds given by an NGO. In a jiffy, कुछ ही पल में, कुछ ही समय में ये जो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो गायब हो गए. सो ऑल देयर एजुकेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स वर सॉर्टेड आउट इन अ जिफी, इन अ मोमेंट. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द फंड्स गिवन बाय द NGO. So right phrase is here, that is in a jiffy. And the last one is Raj ran at a frantic speed to catch the train. Frantic speed, जहाँ पे आपको कुछ पता नहीं होता, आप सिर्फ भागते रहते हो. So frantic speed is there. So Raj ran at a frantic speed to catch the train. Okay, so the last phrase is exactly correct here, that is frantic speed. So in this way we have solved some of the brainstorming questions. Remaining brainstorming questions we will cover in the next session. I hope now you have understood in what way we have to solve the brainstorming questions. If you have read it carefully, definitely it's possible for you to write all the answers. So I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you everyone.